Hi, you guys. It's Shannon Brannon, creator of Junk Finds. I'm gonna ding every time. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. Maybe someday. Okay, so it's okay. It gives us a few minutes to kind of see who comes on. So I found this really cool find last week, actually, at an estate sale. I got a smoking deal on it. And I will post a picture of it in the comments. It's old. It's really old. And I actually want to put it in my house as my desk. I have two boys who are 6 and 7.5. And lead in paint is a serious thing. And so I don't ever want to mess around with it. So I am going to use it's Pro Lab. It's a lead surface tester to see if this cool find has lead in it, if it stays or if it goes. So it's a really easy kit, I think. Instructions, there's like 4 steps. I'm gonna use this pad. I'm gonna put 4 drops of water on it. And then it says to cut a niche all the way down to the surface where the paint, to the natural wood. And then put the pad in the niche. And it says not to over, it says 4 drops, but this is not going to cover 4 drops. So I'm going to try not to overdo it, is what it says. Don't overdo it, Shannon. Okay, it needs more than 4 drops. So I am going to put it in the niche. Let's see if I can turn this around for you guys. Sorry. Okay, as you can see, it is really chippy, so I did not have to take a knife. And I'm actually going to try and get it under. This stuff's like literally chipping, coming off. Oh, see, there it goes. There it goes. Maybe that's why it says to get a knife. Okay, here we go. Here's a good spot. And I'm gonna go ahead and just hold it down. I know, this is a lot of fun. You guys are excited to be watching me do this for 2 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around. So why I'm testing this, I'm gonna tell you a few things about Fusion and why I love it. Fusion has no VOC. So you do not have the chemicals in it that almost all paint lines do. It's one of the reasons why I absolutely love it. It's why they have their Tones for Tot line, because you can use it in a nursery. You can use it in the baby's crib, on the rocking chair, for changing table. And then the paint's just so functional, and extremely durable. So I love it. So, but today I've got, I have a love for old architectural finds, old salvage, and it actually goes nicely with my bench, so that's fun. But lead in a home can actually cause brain damage from infant to 8 years old. So it's not something you want to mess around with at all. So if you bring an old find into the house, please test it. It's not worth the complications of you having complications with your children's health. So, okay, it says 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. It says that it will turn red if it's purple, red, any kind of colors. You guys, I'm clear. It's staying. I'm so excited. Yay! So, sorry, I know so look at this. It's an old piece. And it did have quite a few layers under it. I'm disappointed because it actually came with 2 benches that I tried to get her to bring back from her mountain house down so I could have. But I've got some work to do on it. It's got 2 boards that need to be replaced. So I think I'm going to work on that tonight. So anyways, thank you. I just wanted to share this with you guys so you could see how the test worked. It seemed to work. It's clear. Yay. Thankfully, my kids do not typically eat paint, but you never know. So you guys have a good night, and there's a tip for today.